Hello gang, arpeggios. We'll take fingering 5. See lesson 1 if you don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. There's 2 G7s in there. There. One up top. Then there's inversions of them. From the 5th and from the 7th. Okay? Now, here's what you can do with them. By adding outside notes. Half step below. Half step below the top of the arpeggio. Half step below the root. So see? Our alter notes. The D minor in there. Below the root, below the root. Okay. Below the root, above the root. Up top here. That's why you need the arpeggios, okay? Happens, there's 5 more fingerings, okay? Then there's major 7. Okay, if there's 20 guys that look at this, only 2 will do them in all 5 places. Only 1 will do it in all the keys. Anyway, that's it. You know, I study Facebook a lot, and typical musician Facebook posts. I have this great gig coming up with an amazing bass player, an amazing band, okay? The gig passes, and then, what an amazing night, what an amazing solo this guy played. An addendum to the previous video, I think the battery died in the camera. I was talking about Facebook. The gig's over. Yeah, we had an amazing night. The saxophone player, amazing solo. What horse shit. I've done so many fucking gigs. They're all not amazing. Sometimes it's like, I listen to myself play, man, geez, amazing, my ass, I sucked. The drummer sucked, etc. Anyway, fuck Facebook.